It's a good question. Yes and no. Yes, in the sense that I think there's some members of the squad that are still here, and of course, my experience. And even though I was watching a couple of games already, I've watched a couple of games of the Wydad of last season as compared to the Wydad that we played against the season before in the AFL last season or the year before. And in the Champions League, when they knocked us out when I was at Sundowns in the semi-finals. And now I'm one of the 2005 winners. And now it's about trying to find the best balance within the team, because when I look at the squad, and I say, based on the last match that I watched, which was the 1-0 win at home in the last league game, there's still quite a couple of names that I didn't see on the pitch, which were names that we played against in the AFL final. And even now when I do my research, I see like a player like Jabran is gone, and so you ask yourself, but at least there's still players, important players like El Moti is still here, I see Harkas is still here, and so there's still enough quality. You know, Bora is still here. You know, I know we've lost Etihad Allah, Jabran, which would be a big loss, but the team is strong still. Can it be stronger? Yes. Will it be stronger? Yes. We will work day and night to try to do this. But we also understand how difficult it's going to be, and that's the most important message. Is we know it's going to be difficult, but we know it's achievable. And so with a little bit of patience and a bit of time and support, I'm sure we've got the team, and especially around me. And when I listen to the gentlemen who have brought me here, all I hear is ambition. They want to win. They want this club to be successful, and that excites me. So. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the challenge. It's going to be a difficult challenge, but it's definitely not an impossible one.